Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the heart of your computer, the BIOS or UEFI. We'll learn how to tweak it for better performance and, more importantly, fix common problems. Think of your BIOS UEFI as the control center for your PC's hardware. It starts up even before your operating system. We can change boot order, memory settings, and even fan speeds. Let's take a look. Remember, be cautious. Changing settings you don't understand can cause problems. Let's focus on a few safe, useful tweaks. Example 1. Adjusting boot order to prioritize a USB drive for installing a new operating system. Example 2. Enabling XMP profiles for optimized RAM performance if supported. Example 3. Checking CPU and system temperatures for potential overheating issues. Now let's get into troubleshooting mode. The first rule, stay calm. We'll start with power issues. Troubleshooting methodology: identify PC won't turn on, random shutdowns, blue screen errors, analyze power, check power cord, wall outlet, and surge protector. Hard drive: listen for unusual noises like clicking or grinding. Use diagnostic tools like Crystal Disk Info. RAM: run memory tests like memtest86. Resolve power. Replace faulty cables or power supply if needed. Hard drive: backup data immediately if the drive is failing. Consider replacement. RAM: replace faulty modules. Display problems and system crashes can be frustrating. Let's tackle those head-on. First, we'll identify the issue. Are you experiencing no display at all, maybe some flickering, or perhaps you're seeing artifacts on the screen? Or are you dealing with frequent crashes? Once we've identified the problem, it's time to analyze. For display issues, check your cable connections and try a different monitor if possible. For driver issues, make sure to update your graphics drivers and check for any pending Windows updates. And if overheating seems to be the problem, monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures closely. Now, let's resolve these issues. If it's a display problem, replace faulty cables or the monitor itself if needed. If driver updates caused issues, consider rolling back to previous drivers. And for overheating, improve airflow, clean dust from fans, and consider replacing the thermal paste on your CPU or GPU. There you have it. You've gained the knowledge to confidently explore your BIOS UEFI settings and troubleshoot common computer problems.